Good morning, children. Welcome to Maths class. In our last session, we discussed exercise 3.5. With that, we have completed the chapter. And today, we are going to discuss mental maths of Unit 3. Okay? Mental maths of Unit 3. See here. Read the question. Bit A. Use the number grid to add and subtract. Here the number grid is given. Numbers 1 to 100 is given. With the help of this number grid, you have to add as well as subtract. So we'll see the first example, children. Example 1. Here read the text. Put your finger on 55. So where is 55? Here 55 is there. So put your finger on 55. Now the question is, which number is 1 less than 55? So to find the number 1 less than 55, we have to move back one digit. That is, for the smaller number, we should move back one digit, whereas for the bigger number, we have to move forward one digit. So if we move back one box, what happened? The number is 54. So 1 less than 55 is 54. Next, second one. Which number is 4 more than 55? To find the bigger number 4 more than 55, we have to move 4 boxes forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is what? 59. Next, which number is 10 less than 55? To find the number 10 less than 55, we have to move up. So if we move one box up, we'll get 10 less number. To get the more number, you have to get the bigger number, 10 more than 55, we have to move down, one box down. Okay. Now using this method, we have to solve the remaining problems. Here the question is, first question, 6 more than 66. And remember that always begin from the bigger number. So here 6 more than 66. What we have to do? You have to draw a circle around 66. Now from here we will start. So we want 6 more than 66. To find the more, what we have to do? Move forward 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So where we reached? We reached 72. So 6 more than 66 is 72. Write 72 in the box, in the circle. Now next, second question, children. 11 more than 37. So here the bigger number is 37. Draw a circle around 37. Now 11 more than 37. So we will split 11 as 10 plus 1. So to increase 10, what we have to do? You have to move one box down. So here we reached 47. 37 plus 10 is 47. Plus 1 is 48. So 11 more than 37 is how much? 48. Write 48 in the circle. Now next, third question, children. 6 less than 66. To find 6 more than 66, we have moved 6 boxes forward. To find 6 less than 66, we have to move 6 boxes backward. So that is, here 66 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So where we reached? If we move 6 boxes backward, we reached 60. So 6 less than 66 is how much? It's 60. Write 60 in the circle. Now next, bit B, children. Before solving bit B, we will discuss example 2 and 3. So example 2, children. Use the number grid to find 53 minus 19. So How to find 53 minus 19 means here the bigger number is 53. So start at 53. Now subtraction, no, so you have to move upward. So for addition you have to move downward, whereas for subtraction you have to move upward. So move up one box, if you move up, that is minus 10, then you will reach 49. From 49 you have to move 9 boxes, that is subtracting 9, you will reach 34. So 53 minus 19 is how much? 34. At the same way, example 3, use the number grid to find 32 plus 18. So here the bigger number is 32, so we will start at 32. As it is addition, you have to move downwards. So move down one box, that is plus 10. You will reach 42. From 42, if you move forward 8 boxes, you will reach 50. So 32 plus 18 is 50. How we will do here? First is 53 minus 19. So we will draw a circle around 53. We'll use other color. Now 53 is the bigger number. So draw a circle around 53. From 53 you have to subtract 19. So if we split 19, then what happened? It is 10 plus 9. That is, in one's place 9 is there, whereas in tens place 1 is there. So in tens place 1 is there, so you have to move one box up. Okay, so move one box up, that is 43. And in one's place 9 is there, so you have to move back 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So where you reach? 34. So 53 minus 19 equal to how much? It's 34. Okay, 34. Now next one is 32 plus 18. Here the bigger number is 32. You have to add 18 to 32. So where is 32, children? Here 32 is there. So for 32 you have to add 18. So in tens place 1 is there, so you have to move one digit down. So you will reach 42. Okay, and in one's place 8 is there, so move 8 digits for 8 boxes forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So finally you will reach 50. That is 32 plus 18 is 50. Okay, children. Now we'll solve bit B. Bit B, use the number grid to add and subtract. Now with the help of number grid, you have to add as well as you have to subtract. Here the first question is 26 plus 7. 26 plus 7. Here the bigger number is 26. So we'll draw a circle around 26. Okay, 26. 26 plus 7. So to add 7 you have to move forward. How many boxes, children? 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So where you reached? 33. So 26 plus 7 equal to how much? 33. Write 33 in the blank. Okay. Now next second question. 64 minus 23. Here the bigger number is 64. So draw a circle around 64. From that you subtract 23. So 64. Draw a circle around 64, children. We'll use other color pen. So 64 minus 27. 64 minus 23. So we have drawn a circle around 64. From 64 you have to subtract 23. So in tens place 2 is there. Subtraction. So you have to move 2 boxes up as 2 is there in tens place. So we reached 44. From 44 you have to move 3 boxes back as 3 is there in ones place. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So where you reached? 41. That is 64 minus 23 is how much? 41. Write 41 in the blank. Now next is third question. 64 plus 23. So bigger number is 64. For 64 we have to add 23. So addition means what we have to do? You have to move down. Here 23 means 2 is there in tens place. So move down 2 digits, 2 boxes. That is 64 plus 10 is 74 plus 10 is 84. Now in ones place 3 is there. So move forward 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. So finally you reached 87. So 64 plus 23 is how much, children? 87. So write 87 here in the blank. Now next fourth one, 86 minus 44. So the bigger number is 86. Draw a circle around 86. From that subtract 44. So 86, draw a circle. From that subtract 44. Here in tens place 4 is there. So you have to move upwards 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 boxes. So you reach 46. From 46 you have to move 4 boxes back as 4 is there in ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So where you reached? You reached 42. So that is here 86 minus 44 is 42. Write 42 in the blank. Now next fifth question, children. 75 plus 18. Here the bigger number is 75. For that you have to add 18. So draw a circle around 75, children. So 75. And you have to add 18 to 75. In tens place 1 is there. So move 1 box down. And in ones place 8 is there. So move 8 boxes forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where you reached? 93. That is 75 plus 18 equal to how much? 93. So write 93 in the blank. Then the last question, 56 minus 31. The bigger number is 56. So draw a circle around 56. From that you subtract 31. So 56, draw a line, minus 31. So 31 means in tens place 3 is there. So you move upward 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 boxes. So you will reach 26. From that subtract 1. So move 1 box back. So where you reached? 25. So 56 minus 31 equal to 25. Write 25 here in the blank. With this, we have completed mental mass of unit 3. And coming to the homework, children, today your homework is complete mental mass in your textbook. Okay? Complete mental mass of unit 3 in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next session. Bye, children.